Hi guys, welcome to Best TV. I'm Katrina. Today we are going to introduce our new Sublimation hot water bottle collection. They are very popular in winter and pour hot water about 3/4 full and screw the caps on time. You can use the hot water bottle to ease pains and aches by resting it on your body or to heat up your bed by placing it under the blanket before you go to sleep. The extra long hot water bottles are available in 52 cm and 72 cm lengths, so they are very perfect for cuddling in bed and warming your whole body. This regular one is available in 13 by 22 cm, 15 by 25 cm, and 20 by 32 cm, and we have pink and white colors for the covers. The bottle is made of natural rubber material and the cover is made of skin-friendly polyester plush material, so they're also suitable for sublimate with vibrant patterns on the covers. Okay, let's see how to print the covers.